Hi, I'm Sarah Landasic, Product Marketing Manager for the Meraki MV Smart Camera line here at Cisco. I'm going to show you a quick demo of the cameras in the dashboard, including some of the cool analytics features, so let's get started.
Now, to view video for a camera, all you need to do is select the camera, and I want to access our staircase camera, so I'm going to type that in to find it, and then go ahead and choose this one here. We're now viewing live video for this camera, and if you look at the cloud icon here, it indicates that I do not have a direct connection to the camera, so this is a cloud proxy stream. If I did, there'd be a green check mark instead of the cloud. Now, most of the time, people aren't sitting here watching video. They're trying to investigate something that happened in the past. And our motion search tool is a really great feature for that. So let's check it out now. If I click motion search, I've got a grid that overlays on the screen. And all I need to do is tell the camera where something happened. So let's select the staircase landing here. And if I look down, you can see that there were no motion events during the time frame we're looking at, which is what is indicated by the slider bars. But I can easily go back in time and I can say yesterday at noon. It'll take me back there and refresh the results for then. So I can see that I had 3 motion events at this point, so that is more helpful. But I can also go ahead and expand this out to look through a longer period of time. So I can type in 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. And now I can see that I've got 17 different images. I can use the arrows here to scroll through and look at all of my results. And if I'm interested in one of them, I can go ahead and click into it to get a better picture. If this is something that I'm looking for, if this is an event of interest, I can download this image here. I can export the video or I can play the video. So let's check that out and watch this happen. So if I click play video, I come up, exit the search to get rid of those bars, and now we'll see the 2 people that appeared in the motion recap walking down the stairs right now. And indeed, that's what the motion recap showed us in much less time than it took to watch this video. So if I want to export this video or share it with someone else, I've got a few different options. I can select the share link. I can send a link internally to someone that has access to this camera on the dashboard, or I can share a live stream link externally to get emergency access to an outside individual. I can also choose export and then select the range that I want to export this video clip, say this amount of time, go ahead and export the video. And that will pull it off the camera where I will have the opportunity to download it to my device or to send a download link to someone else so they can download an MP4 file. Now, the last piece I want to show you on the demo is the analytics. So for this, I'm going to go to a different camera. So we'll go back out and we're going to look at one of the balcony cameras. So I'm going to type that in and select the camera and go over to analytics. So this is an outdoor camera, and our outdoor cameras have the ability to detect both people and vehicles when they come into the frame of the camera. The indoor cameras only have person detection. Now this information is available in the dashboard without having to purchase anything else, configure anything else, or install any software. You can see that it summarizes the entrances, and this is the number of people that the camera detects throughout the course of the time period we're looking at. And you can see it gives me a high-level overview. The busiest hour was 6 p.m., counted a total of 259 people. And if I click into any of these bars, I can see down to the minute when people were detected by the camera. If I click into a specific time frame, it'll take me to video for that time period, and then I can actually see the camera detecting the person object, and that yellow box that showed up around that roller skater is the camera's way of telling us that it is indeed detecting that object as a person. So if we go back to analytics, if I scroll down, you can see motion heat maps. Now, motion heat maps also provide a good overview as far as where motion is happening, but this motion is any type of motion, so not caused specifically by people or vehicles. And since we had a fairly windy day, the camera actually detected a lot of motion on the tree as it blew back and forth. But you can see that there is some activity detected on the sidewalk here, especially congregated around where the entrance to the building is. You can see the busiest time for that was actually between 3 and 4 p.m. So the motion heat map in combination with the object detection data does give you a really good high level understanding about what is happening within your space with respect to people, vehicles, and overall motion. So that brings us to the end of our demo. If you're interested in testing out some of our equipment yourself, you can get started with a risk-free evaluation by going to meraki.com/ISC trial. You can go to meraki.com/cameras to learn more on our website, or get in touch with your Meraki sales rep at meraki.com/ISC contact. Thanks for watching.